it in a cipher. I command it in a cipher. I command it in a cipher. Hold your panties up. You give me microphone, I give you cup. My technique consists of praying mantis mixed with a bit of drunken Tai Chi in it, and y'all can have it. Fist to the bitch slap, whichever way you stir it. I got it in massive dosages, never short of supply and the potency. Don't try to come at me with that bro shit. I'm on some Coca Ninja Code script. Plus my whole outfit's underworld silhouetted, and I don't mean vampire members bitches. I'm talking like it's with my blood connection. That's how I like into how we had it back then, to how we pack and moving. For them cynics, I'm slowly dripping acidic medicine in their stomach, shredding it up till they vomit. Then it's back again with vengeance. I'm always chopping, lifting up the off limits. On the beach with my Dr. Octopus arms and shit. Call me Renaissance man, how I hold in the palm of my hand unregistered bombs, arsenals and multiple small arms and shit. My business is my beverage, so all of you bitches holding beverages instead of your kids. Here we go now, close your legs. Here we go now. I command it in a cipher. I command it in a cipher. I command it in a cipher. Hold your panties up. You give me microphone, I give you cup.